Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lesson 32. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to solve math stories with a missing part using addition and subtraction. So looking at this, we're going to have to do a math drawing, an addition sentence, and a subtraction sentence by using this number bond over here. Now looking at this, we can see that 6 is our whole, because we know that this is our whole because these two parts are connected to it right here. That's how we know that that's our whole. Now we know that 5 is one of our parts, and we're missing this other part right here. It's our mystery part. So we can count on. We can start with 5, and then we can keep on counting until we get to 6, which is our whole. Or we can start with our whole, and we can count backwards 5 times. What we're going to do is we're going to put 5 in our brain, and we're going to count up till we get to 6. Okay, so put 5 in your brain. So 5, 6. Oh, we said 6, so we stop. Now you should have one finger up. 1 is our mystery part. Now let's draw a picture to show this. Let's draw 5 circles. 3, 4, 5. Oh, let me draw that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I drew it again because I wanted to make sure that it was very clear, and I want to make sure that it wasn't too messy. So now we had 5, and just like how we counted on with our number bond, we can count on again, and we can keep on adding x's until we get to our whole, which is 6. So we have 5, 6. Alright, so now we can see that we have 1x, which we know that would be our other part. So now let's look at this addition sentence down here. We know that addition, if we put our parts hugging that plus sign, and then the whole is by the equal sign. So we know that our two parts is 5 and 1. So 5 plus 1, and we know our whole is 6. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now a subtraction sentence. We know that for subtraction, that whole is going to be in front of that in front of that minus sign. Because remember, we want to make that whole happy. We got to keep that whole happy. So the whole has to be in front of the minus sign, which we know that our whole is 6. So 6 minus 5 equals 1. And we know that commutative property, or that switcheroo, we could have did 6 minus 1 equals 5, or for the addition sentence, we could have did 1 plus 5 equals 6, and it would have been the same thing. And we know that 1 was our mystery number that we had to find out. So I just put a little mystery box to help us remember that 1 was the number that we had to figure out. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.